Agricultural application of alkenes and alkanes. The agricultural sector, which is essential to the world food production, is always looking for new and creative ways to increase crop yield, strengthen soil quality, and have minimal negative impact on the environment. The alkenes and alkynes are two basic groups of hydrocarbon. The show promise is this endeavor when applied. Alkenes are saturated hydrocarbon which single bond are best known for their use of fuel. In agriculture, they are used to produce diesel, fuel power from machinery, and facilitate transportation. Their burning generates energy for a variety of agriculture tasks, including tilling and harvesting, irrigation, and transportation. Alkanes are important components of fertilizer. Alkane-based fertilizer, such as those made from natural gas, provide crop with vital nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. This fertilizer help to increase crop yield and improve soil fertility, while the alkenes of unsaturated hydrocarbon which has at least one double bond have this strict feature and make them desirable in agriculture. One significant application is the synthesis of ethylene, an important plant hormone. Fruit ripening, flower blossoming, and leaf are all influenced by ethylene levels. Furthermore, alkenes are employed in the production of numerous insecticides and herbicides. These pesticides successfully manage pests and weeds. Alkanes and alkanes have crucial components of agriculture, supplying energy for farm operation, nutrient for crop and pest and weeds control. By embracing sustainable practices and exploring creative solutions, we can harness the power of hydrocarbons to support a sustainable agricultural sector.